Hello, how do you solve a power 2 equals 2? We are solving for the value of a that satisfies this equation. So now I can start with this particular method. I can say let x equals this a power 2. So x equals a power 2, meaning this equation becomes, I will have a power 2 is now x, and this equals 2. So from here, I can apply natural log of a power x equals natural log of 2. Now, if you have natural log a power p equals p times natural log a. So I will have x times natural log a equals natural log 2. Now, what I will do is to ensure that these two variables are the same. We have x and a. So let's get back to this particular equation here. We have x equals a power 2. So I can isolate a from here by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 2. I have x power 1 over 2 equals, I have, this is a power 2, and this is raised to the power of 1 over 2. So from here, if you have, remember, a power n or power m equals a power n times m. So I multiply this out. I will simply have x power 1 over 2 equals a power 2 times 1. This is 2 over 2. And 2 over 2 is 1. So we'll simply have x power 1 over 2 equals a. That means a equals x power 1 over 2. So that means my a equals x power 1 over 2. I'm going to replace this a here with x power 1 over 2. I have x times ln. X is, a is x power 1 over 2 equals ln 2. And don't forget the fact that, like I said earlier, ln a power p equals p times ln a. That means 1 over 2 comes behind this, so we have x times 1 over 2 times ln x equals ln 2. X times 1 over 2, this is x over 2 times ln x equals ln 2. Now, the next step is to ensure we multiply the both part of this equation by 2. So I will have x divided by 2 times ln x equals ln 2. I multiply this by 2. I multiply this by 2. So if you multiply this by 2, you have 2 times x divided by 2. ln x equals 2 times ln 2. So right now, 2 eliminates 2. I'll have x times ln x equals 2 times ln 2. So we equate each of them. That means my x is 2. If my x is 2, then I can solve for a, in which a equals x power 1 over 2. Remember, a equals x power 1 over 2. That means a equals 2 power 1 over 2. And if you have maybe n power 1 over m, this equals the m root of n power 1, which is the m root of n. because n power 1 is n. That means we have a equals a square root, because this is 2. We have square root of 2 power 1, which is the square root of 2. So that is the value for a. Based on this particular method, we can solve this using another method again. A power 2 equals 2. I can also decide to replace this with y this time around. I have a power 2 equals y. Then I can isolate a from here. That means this equation will become, this is a to the power of y equals 2, right? I can isolate a here. That means I will multiply the exponent by 1 over 2 of a power 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 equals y power 1 over 2. This cancel this, right? A equals y power 1 over 2. Then come over here. We have a here. We replace it with y power 1 over 2. Y power 1 over 2 raised to the power of y equals 2. Right? So I multiply this out. Have y power, this is y over 2 equals 2. So what I'm going to do will be to raise each part of this equation to the power of 2. So this multiplies this out. I have y power 2y divided by 2 equals 2 power 2. So 2 eliminates 2 here. I will simply have y power y equals 2 power 2. So from here, remember, this and this are the same, this and this are the same. We can have y equals 2. If y equals 2, what is a? A is y power 1 over 2. I come here. A is y power 1 over 2. That means a is y is 2 power 1 over 2. And remember, you have a power n over n equals n root of a power n, right? So this will give us the square root of 2 to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 2. This becomes our final answer using this method. So we have made use of 2 different methods having the same solution here. That is the square root of 2. So ladies and gentlemen, we can decide to verify. I have verified. So I have a power 2 equals 2, meaning my a is square root of 2. I have square root of 2 or square root of 2 or 2 is it the same thing as 2. Now, starting with this one here at the exponent, this exponent here, square root of 2 power 2 means square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. Or this squares cancel this here, right? So we simply have square root of 2, and this is raised to the power of, because we have 2 left here, we have 2, and this equals 2, right? So exactly the same thing that happens here will simply repeat itself here, because the square root here eliminate the square here. This is just like having square root of 2 times square root of 2. And this equals 2 because this is raised to the power of 2. So square root of 2 times square root of 2, we have square root of 4, and this equals 2. And from here, we have square root of 4, that is 2, and this equals 2. So you can see that the both part of this equation are actually very distinct. So that is it, and this has proven that our solution is obviously very correct. And what I would like you to do is to consider subscribing to this particular YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and to everyone that you love. Thank you so much for doing so, and see you again in our next video. Bye.